Good morning, I am Prasad Rao. Today we will see some basic stoichiometric information in chemistry 11th standard. Matter can exist in three physical forms: solids, liquids and gases. Solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids have only different and definite volume but not shape. Gases have no shape and volume. And these three physical states are interchangeable by changing the temperature and pressure. Matter also can be classified into mixtures and pure substances. Mixtures are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Pure substances are elements and compounds. Many examples are there. Some basic fundamental units novel in the stoichiometric equations, the stoichiometric chapter will deal. The basic information is, basic units is length, which is meter, mass, time, temperature, current, intensity of light and amount of substance. These seven are the fundamental this thing. Whereas the all other units are derived from these basic 7 units: density, mass by volume, or pressure, force per unit area. Like that, it all derived units. And in normal stoichiometric chapters, we use many common words like mole, molecular weight, equivalent weight, Avogadro number, then standard volume, this thing. And stoichiometric main is the construction of an equation. Stoichiometric equation nothing but a balance equation. It is mainly the conservation of mass principle is used. Conservation of mass means the law of conservation of mass. Mass cannot be destroyed or created. It is only. So, in a chemical equation, it is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. That is, the left side there will be the reactants and right side will be the products, and we use the plus and arrows and all for this thing. In the basic equation, one should balance the chemical equation. It is a balanced equation, that is a stoichiometric equation, and with balanced equation, the left side masses, reactants masses is equal to product masses. Here we are seeing as a masses only. Volumes are not the volumes or moles are not considered. Masses are. So simple example, if you see C plus O2, CO2. In the CO2, C is 12 grams and oxygen is 32 grams. The left side is 44 and right side CO2 is 44. H2 plus O2 is H2O. It is not a balanced equation. 2H2 plus O2 equal to 2H2O is a balanced equation. You see in this 2H2O left side the 36 grams means 2H2 is 4 grams, oxygen is 32, total 36, left side 2H2O is 2 into 18, 36 grams, means that is the normal simple these things. A simple calculation by way of expressions we can see. The calculation will be like this. Calculate the amount of water produced when methane is reacted, combustion. 16 grams of methane is combustion with oxygen in combustion. So first one has to write the chemical equation. So you should know the symbol of the methane, that is CH4, C capital, H capital 4, and oxygen. Oxygen we have to balance. And what are the products are coming? Means word expression, then it is a symbolic expression. First one should understand what is the left side reactants and then what will be the products. Then balance. Then automatically all other equations and all other things can be easily. By practice it can come. So if you see methane is a gas and oxygen. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. So left side the question is 16 grams of methane is burned, combustion in oxygen. So methane molecular weight also 16 grams, that means 16 grams is directly given. So then 16 grams, if methane is there, oxygen will be 32 into 2, that is 64, and left side carbon dioxide will be 2 into 32, 12 plus 32, 44, plus water is 18 into 2, 36. So when 16 grams of methane is combined with 44 grams of oxygen gives 36 grams of water. That is a very simple equation. So many more are there in the chemical reaction. This thing we'll go one by one slowly. What is the limiting reaction? What is the excess reagent? What is the percentage of yield? This one is a simple percentage of yield. Then where the mole is coming, what is equivalent mass, what is Avogadro principle. Normally Avogadro principle is nothing but a very useful information, useful equation. At a standard means at a fixed temperature and the pressure, when two gases volumes are same, their number of molecules also same. A simple this thing. So that will be more useful in this calculations when the reaction is with gases. Thank you.